It is now 4 p.m. on September 28th Beijing time. Yesterday, because we still held orders for EURUSD and Gold, so did not make a signal video. After the Federal Reserve's hawkish statement last week that it would suspend interest rate increase, officials and the media have been reinforcing the idea of maintaining high interest rates for a longer period, even though the technical picture of non-US currencies has reached the oversold zone. The market's bearish sentiment has not stopped. Being a short squeeze market, this also caused EURUSD, which entered the market at 1.0600, to trigger the stop loss of 1.0525. The long gold orders that entered the market at 1906 also triggered the stop loss at 1891. These two orders are also included in the transaction order statistics chart. Although the manually operated orders made a loss yesterday, the account has been trading manually with the EA program. From September 1st to today, the overall profit was $11,000. From July 1st to today, the third quarter has accumulated a profit of $66,583. Precisely because Laodai has always maintained a light position operation mode, whether looking at the balance curve or a monthly or quarterly basis, it shows a steady upward trend. Even if he encounters multiple extreme market conditions in a timely manner, his operation will not be affected at all. The observation password of Laodai's account has not been made public recently. Those who are in the group or have bound accounts to copy trading have been checking it for 3 years, so that they can see both historic operations and real-time trading process. If you follow Laodai's videos and want to unlimited profits bit by bit every day, in exchange for stable profits every month, quarter, or year, you can ask me for the observation password of Laodai's account. There are observation accounts with initial funds ranging from $5,000 to $150,000. The managed account signals are consistent with the main account, and the password is changed once a week. Observe for a week and then consider joining the trader group or participating in copy trading if it suits you. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. It fell all the way yesterday and set new intraday lows. There are many short orders, and they still need to wait for lightning actions to ease the decline. If the US unemployment benefits or PCE data perform poorly today and tomorrow, or if the US government shutdown really happens in October, it will have a short-term negative impact on the US dollar index. It can also be understood that the current rise in the US index is also a market institution, intentionally pull higher to prepare for temporary downside risk. Although EURUSD performed poorly, such a weak trend was overdone. It is recommended that EURUSD wait for 1.0470 to form a shock during the day before going long at 1.0470 to 1.0405, with a stop loss of 1.0395. After gold fell below the key support of 1880, the decline has not eased. The reason for gold's decline is still due to the strength of the US dollar and the rise in bond yields around the world, which has a greater suppressive effect on the short-term gold price. From a technical perspective, the gold price of 1870 and 1850 is one of the areas where long-term bulls are deployed. There will be certain defensive actions. During the day, you can wait for 1863 to 1850 to go long, and place a stop loss at 1848. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Laodai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation, and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Kazor Inamari.